The journey doesn't end when the restoration is complete. In many ways, that's when a new chapter begins. Owning a restored classic car is different from owning anything modern. You don't just start it and forget about it. You pay attention to the way it idles, the way it warms up, the way it reacts to the road. This car asks for respect, and in return, it gives character. Every drive becomes an experience. The sound of the engine isn't filtered or softened. You hear every mechanical movement, every shift, every vibration. It reminds you that driving was once a skill, not an automated process. And that connection makes every mile feel earned. Maintenance becomes a ritual. Bolts are checked, fluids inspected, parts cleaned by hand. This attention isn't a burden. It's part of the relationship. At fuel stations, at traffic lights, at parking lots, strangers stop and stare. Some ask questions. This car becomes a conversation starter, a bridge between generations. Classic cars have a unique power. They don't just move through space, they move through time. They remind people of simpler moments, of first drives, road trips, and old dreams. And every restored car keeps those memories alive. There's also a deeper responsibility that comes with restoration. You're no longer just an owner, you're a caretaker. Driving it isn't about speed. You feel the weight of the steering. You feel the imperfections, and that's what makes it real. Modern cars isolate you. Classic cars involve you. There will be challenges. Parts will wear out. Something will always need adjustment. Not every drive will be perfect. But those imperfections are part of the charm. They remind you that this machine is alive in its own way. Restoration also changes the restorer. It teaches problem solving. It teaches respect for craftsmanship that was built without computers or automation. The car, decades ago, with simple tools and deep knowledge. And then there are the quiet moments. Late evenings in the garage. The smell of oil and metal. These moments matter just as much as the finished car. Because restoration is not about perfection. It's about intention. It's about choosing to save something instead of replacing it. Choosing effort over convenience. Choosing character over comfort. It says that some things are worth fixing. Some things deserve patience. Some things gain value with age. Every new scratch tells a story. Every mile adds meaning. And every drive keeps its spirit alive. At the end of the day, restoring an old car is never just about the car. It's about proving that time doesn't have to erase beauty. Because when metal meets memory, and craftsmanship meets dedication, even the oldest machines can feel young again. Is proof that some stories are simply too powerful to be left behind.